And today I'm going to be continuing with building the Nintendo Labo Variety Kit toy cons. In my last video, I made the RC car, but today I'm going to be making the fishing rod. The fishing rod toy con consists of a fishing rod with a thread that goes to the Nintendo Switch holder. And the thread is basically like a fishing line that in the Switch it goes down and you're trying to catch the biggest fish. The Nintendo Labo Variety Kit Fishing Rod Toy Con consists of 6 cardboard sheets and some additional starts. So why wait? Let's get started with building it. We finished it. We finished the fishing rod toy con. Okay, so how you play the game is that the Nintendo Switch console is the ocean, and you put the Joy-Cons into the fishing rod. So how you go into the water is that you spin the reel counterclockwise, and then to go up, you spin the reel clockwise. And basically the point of this game is to catch as much fish as you can. And when a fish touches the hook, then you pull it up out of the water and you put it next to the plus sign. And then it tells you what fish it is and how big it is. For example, it's a mackerel and it's 43 centimeters. And there's another thing in this game that the farther you go down, the bigger the fish are, but the harder it is to catch them. For example, that's a big fish and that's a big fish. More bigger than what we had before. For example, let's try to catch this fish though. Oh no, that fish cut the wire. That's what I meant when it's harder to catch the fish because they're bigger and they're farther down. Okay, so there's another thing in the fishing rod toy con. When you have a lot of fish that you've caught, you can go visit them in the aquarium toy con, which basically shows all the fish that you catch. For example, we caught this fish, the mackerel, and so basically, if you don't know the name of a fish, then you can see how, for example, this is a red sea bream, that's a mackerel, that's an Atlantic football fish. So it's actually fun to find out what their names are too. That's all there is in the fishing rod toy con. I hope you had fun watching the video. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!